To delete cookies from the browser on the Samsung S26 and the Google Chrome and the Internet Samsung browser, it looks a little bit different. So take a look. First of all, in the Google Chrome, we have to click on the right upper corner, select delete browsing data. And here we have to go for cookies. For the more options. And here, if you want to clear cookies, we can just simply unselect everything, pick the time range. And when this is selected, you have to click to delete data. You can also see important websites to us, click done, and it's finished. For a Samsung internet browser, you have to click on the three dots in the right bottom corner, open the settings, and now when you scroll down, you have to go for personal browsing data, go for delete browsing data, and here the same, pick the time range from the top, unselect everything, and only get rid of cookies. There we go.